Welcome. Structural Concepts has introduced the Atmosphere multi-tiered meat and seafood merchandiser. This video will provide training to ensure the Atmosphere system is properly cleaned and maintained. Daily, store personnel are to check the control box located on the rear of the case to ensure there are no flashing lights. A blinking light indicates an error code. If this happens, contact your local system service provider. Weekly, store personnel are required to clean the end caps, diffuser bars, T-bars, and couplers of the Atmosphere system. Let's become familiar with the system's components. We have the control box, the on-off switch, the 48-inch diffuser bars, the diffuser bar end caps, the couplers with thumb screws, the T-bar with couplers, and the diffusion holes. The rest of the system will be taken care of by outside service contractors. Items recommended for weekly cleaning include approved cleaning products, non-abrasive cloths or sponges, pipe brushes. 18 and 36-inch size are optimum. We recommend that you start by placing all products in the storage containers and store them in the department's cooler. It's important to turn the system off while cleaning the components. To do this, remove the cover from the rear Atmosphere box to locate the on-off switch. In the front of the case, disconnect the diffuser bar assembly. To do this, loosen the coupler thumb screws. Do not take them out, just loosen them. Then, grasp the end bar cap and pull it toward the case end panel until it is free from the coupler. Now, grasp the 48-inch diffuser bar. Slide it into the coupler until it comes free from the T-bar coupler. Then, slide it back out of the end coupler. The T-bar, the couplers, and the thumb screws all remain in place during the weekly cleaning. Repeat this process on each 4-foot section of the cases. Soak the diffuser bars and end cap pieces in a cleaning solvent for at least 15 minutes. While the pieces are soaking, clean the T-bars and couplers using warm water and a soft bristled brush. After the parts have had time to soak, use a soft bristled brush to clean the inside of the diffuser bars and the end caps. Be sure to rinse all the parts thoroughly after they have been washed. After washing and rinsing the pieces, soak them in a sanitizer for about 30 seconds. Do not rinse. After all the pieces are cleaned, put the diffuser bars and end caps back into the case in the opposite order of how they were taken out, as shown here. Now, check to make sure the vapor holes line up with the T-bar holes. Then, secure all bars and couplers in place with the thumb screws. At the back of the case, turn the system back on. Make sure the system activates by checking for a solid yellow light on the control box. For more in-depth information, scan the QR code located on the back of the case to access our cleaning manual. Thank you for watching this training video about cleaning our Atmosphere system. For more information on our company, visit our website at www.structuralconcepts.com.